First tick on the index, the Nifty down about 20 odd points, the Sensex down 150 points. So it's a slow grind to the bottom for now at least. Not too bad, but yes, slowly grinding lower, 50 points lower, now 60 points lower, now almost 70 points lower for the Nifty. The Bank Nifty is the one that's dragging its feet, about 200 points low on the Bank Nifty, and the Sensex is now down 250 points. So all four indices in the red, Sensex, Nifty, Midcap and the Bank Nifty. It's not alarming, but it's a cut of around 0.3%. What's dragging today's technology stocks? Wipro, Infosys, HCL Tech are all in the red. Tata Steel, some of the metal names also trending in the red right now. TCS, remember both TCS and Infosys come out with numbers on January the 11th. So in the run-up to that, there's a slight bit of caution. Banks are also under pressure. Indices, Kotak Mahindra Bank, ICICI Bank all down about 0.5% or so. So it's a dual combination. It's a combination of both technology as well as banking names that's dragging the market a bit. What's holding afloat? Adani Group stocks ahead of that final Supreme Court verdict. Adani Group stocks up in the green. Enterprises Ports up about 3 to 5%. M&M is up 0.7% on that Motilal Oswal report. And then you have pharma names. Divi, Cipla, Sun Pharma are all in the green. Reliance is also batting for the bulls this morning. So let's see how far that can go. But for now, the Nifty just hanging on to 21,600 by the skin of its teeth, down about 50 odd points. Not a great opening. Let's see how this goes.
Well, that's right, Sonia. Well, plenty of stocks moving around actually from the broader markets. MOIL came out with their operational update for December as well as year to date. And it looks quite good because, they've grown by close to around 40% in dispatches as well as in terms of production. So the street likes that. The stock is up close to around 3.5%. On the flip side, a couple of stocks that did very well in the last few days, they're pulling back a little bit. Case in point being a Nalco. That's down close to around 3% yesterday, ended at the high point of the day. Vodafone Idea posted clarification coming out from the management that, denying any sort of rumors that any big party is looking at buying a big stake in the company. So that stock is down close to around 3%, but actually it's pulled back all of those losses as we speak. Nalco, though, continues to struggle. You have Tata Steel that's down close to around 1.5%. Kotak has gone ahead and downgraded the stock. They say that 20% rally that we've seen in the last 2 months, well, that's not warranted for. A few more stocks that are in focus today. You have, Sham Metallics. Stock is down close to 100%. They're going to be doing a QIP, so that's one of the reasons out there. BST Industries flying away. Mr. Damani acquired more than 2 lakh shares via the block deal, so the street likes that. CSB Bank, I think the street wasn't too impressed with regard to the operational update that they put up. I think CASA has come down, so the stock opened up with a cut of around 1.5%. For the time being, it's just holding with a cut of around 0.5%. Sylvie?
Okay, so for the time being, we're holding 21,600 on mid-caps. Of course, the Adani Group, as Nigel mentioned, that's the one that's really, surging away. RVNL won a small order to upgrade one of the stations, 2% up on that stock as well. On Motherson Wiring, there's a lot of chatter on Samvardhana Motherson, actually, that we might have Sumitomo selling a part or all of its stake. There's chatter, there's a money control report out there. And of course, we're also awaiting a response from the company. So just putting that out on the table as well. That's a stock down to 2.5% at least as of now. Lemon Tree, last I saw, was actually seeing more follow through, another 2-3% up after yesterday's massive surge on Lemon Tree. So that's a stock in focus on the upside as well. But overall, the market's quiet, digesting, of course, the big run that we had towards the end of last year.